Hi, it's Koze. Have you ever seen this method? I saw this on Instagram and today I wanna try this. I didn't understand the details, so I'm gonna try my own way. I love stamping nails, so I'm gonna do a lot of stamping in this video. Let's get started. I'm gonna be using this transparent plastic thread. In the video I watched, they use their hand, but I'm gonna be using this food container. I taped 3. I'm gonna be using this glittery gel. I'm trying to put it evenly. I didn't rehearse it, so this is my first try. I don't know if I'm doing right. Cure. I don't think I'm curing the other side, so I have to cure the other side later. I'm doing the same thing for the second one and the third one. I just left it, it became beady automatically. Cure. So I made 3 of them this time. I'm sure UV ray can get through this food container, so I'm gonna cure them from the other side. I'm painting non-wipe top coat because it's got uncured gel on the surface. I think I got the hang of it, so I'm just doing 3 at one time. Okay, non-uncured gel. It's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the thumbnail. I bought this gel at CanDo, a 100 yen store. This color might have been discontinued, I don't know. Born Pretty Water Light Cap Magnetic Gel. I love this watery series. It's got such fine particles in it. I'm trying to collect the particles in the center. I'm gonna cure it and stamp on it. I've never used this plate before, so I have to remove the film. This is from Temu. I want to use this pattern, but it's a little too small for the thumbnail. I'll do my best when I stamp it. Have a stamper and a scraper ready at the table. I use an old prepaid card as a scraper. I wanna stamp with a light pink polish, but I don't have the color, so I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna be using the silicone pen to mix the colors. I want to have the same shade on the 3 nails, so I have to be careful with the portion of each polish. 1 pink, 2 white. Blend it quickly. It doesn't look very pink to me, but it's actually pretty pink on the stamper. I have to stretch the stamper to cover the thumbnail. Well, I missed the side. I'm gonna be using this part to cover that. I guess it worked well. Faux gel from CanDo. I'm painting the whole nail and cure it for 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna put this on it. One more. I'm gonna apply matte coat. I made sure I covered everything with this matte coat. I'm painting the bold parts with a non-wipe top coat. I thought I was going to need a thin brush, but this big brush worked fine. The thumbnail is done. I want to use this method for the rainy season nail. I love this matte coat finish. It gives a nice silky vibe to it. I'm gonna do the little finger and the middle finger. I'm gonna make a gradient. This gel is highly pigmented, so I painted very thinly to make a gradation. I painted the magnetic gel on the whole surface. And I kind of lifted the particles from the cuticle area. I'm gonna paint a non-wipe top coat. I'm gonna be putting a nail art sticker on it, so I don't need any uncured gel. I think I bought these from Temu. I'm gonna be finishing the pinky with the top coat after this. I'm gonna put the handmade beady thing on the middle finger. I painted foil gel and cured for 3 minutes. You can bend this beady thing like this. It didn't break. Well, actually the foil gel doesn't hold it very well, so I decided to use something to glue the ends. I used the viscous top coat. I'm applying a non-wipe top coat to finish this art. Now I'm gonna be doing the ring finger and the index finger. I painted dusty pink once and cured. And I painted the magnetic gel once and collected the particles in the center. I'm gonna be stamping on the ring finger and the index finger. I have to make the same shade as the thumbnail, so 1 pink and 2 whites. Stamping on the ring finger. Now I'm gonna stamp on the middle finger. 1 pink, 2 whites. Foil gel on the ring finger. And I'm gonna put the beads I made. Yeah, I need to glue the ends again. I'm painting a matte coat on the whole surface. Now I'm gonna paint a glossy non-wipe top coat on the beads. I'm gonna be finishing the index finger with a glossy top coat. Okay, all done. Yeah, the ring finger looks pretty silky, I like it. The thumb. How would you design your nails with these beads? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.